Welcome to this technical guide on the Asus Vivobook. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Asus Vivobook is getting really hot, you're not alone. This is a common issue that many users face, often due to dust accumulation or failing components such as the cooling fan. If left unchecked, this overheating can lead to permanent damage, affecting the overall performance and longevity of your device. To address this issue, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, thermal paste, and some compressed air for cleaning. Now, let's get started with the repair. First, ensure that your device is powered off and unplugged. Carefully flip the laptop over and remove the screws on the back panel with the Phillips screwdriver. Keep these screws organized as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel, taking care not to damage any clips. Now that you have access to the internals, locate the cooling fan. It's typically situated near the heatsink and can often be covered in dust. Use the compressed air to clean it thoroughly, ensuring that no dust is blocking the fan blades. If the fan doesn't spin freely or is making unusual noises, it may need to be replaced. To remove the fan, disconnect the cable carefully and unscrew it from the motherboard. Remember to apply even pressure when unscrewing to avoid stripping the screws. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the faulty fan is out, replace it with the new one by reversing the previous steps. Make sure to reconnect the cable securely. Before closing the device, apply a thin layer of thermal paste on the processor to ensure optimal heat transfer, as this is crucial for keeping your device cool. After everything is reassembled, securely attach the back panel and replace all screws. Finally, power on your Asus Vivobook and monitor the temperature to ensure that the overheating issue is resolved. To prevent this problem from occurring again, regularly clean the vents and fans of your laptop, and consider using a cooling pad to aid airflow. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.